All right, we're gonna build a Django app along with React frontend. So first of all, let's create the folder structure for it. Okay, the app is gonna be very simple. It's going to be a simple React app on the front end, which we will be using to show an anime. We can search the anime. We can find animes. We'll try to get the details of the anime and show them all separately. So let's get started with it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we have to create a folder. Now I already have a folder for all my separate React and Django projects. I'm just gonna go into downloads. We have it. We should have. Yes. So we're gonna make simple. Okay. And for people who are wondering what I do right there, so you see, let's say when I press tab, I can see all these different things. So if you're wondering how I do this, I just need to write, let's say, anime, and shows me the first folder inside that exact folder, which has the stuff. So we named it anime simple. Let's get inside that. And now we need to create, um, that is our app. So we definitely need to create a Python dash and okay. So this is going to create the virtual environment for us. It's not going to start it, but it's just going to create it. And why we are doing this is just we want to make sure that if something wrong happens inside our entire project and it starts to break the system or anything, it doesn't affect everything at once. It just affects that particular environment. And we can kill that environment. So basically, it will not crash your PC. It will just crash the VMs and it will clear itself. So now we will start the virtual environment. Oh yeah, it's activate. My bad. Okay, now we have our virtual environment running. So we need to install Django into it. We'll need Django cores. That will be for core support. We'll need headers for that. And we are also going to need requests. Now this is to make the request, the Django request from the front end to the back end. And along with all of that, we also will have to make a backend and a front end folder. So yeah, yep. Okay, now that we have our Django project ready, we need to create the project. We have all the requirements for it already now. So what we'll do is we'll go to Django admin and we'll do start project, config, backend. So this is going to create a backend folder. As you can see right here, this backend folder that you can see is where our Django backend will sit. So let's get inside the backend and before we do that, let me show you something. There's always a manage.py file. Now this file will help you create things or apps, like we would say. Let me show you how. So you do Python manage.py start app, and let's name that app anime. Okay. Now we have this. So let's leave it. And we're good with this. So let's open our VS Code, huh? Looks like it on the wrong side. Let's get it here. All right, let's go to terminal, create a new terminal. And